In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a budget in YNAB. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the very top left, and then since there is actually no copy button, what you can do is just do make a fresh start, and then your current one, your current plan or budget is going to basically be archived, but you'll still be able to access it. And then of course, it will make a copy, which is going to be the exact same, but of course, it's just not going to have the transactions. So to do that, you want to go up top over here, click on make a fresh start, and then you have to give it your plan a name. So I'm going to just name it new plan right now. There we go. And then at the bottom, you can of course check if you want to stop importing transactions in your archived plan or not. So that's completely up to you. And then I'm just going to click on continue over here, and it's going to create and start fresh. And there we go. As you can see, I've made a copy. I have the exact same categories and everything over here. And then over here, the accounts are also the same. If I go to the top here, even if I hover over open plan here, you'll be able to see I now have the archived plan and I can access it. And basically I have two copies of this plan. This first one is the new plan, and then the second one, which I had before, is basically the archived plan over here. If I view all of them here, you can see this is basically kind of your plan over here, and this one is the archived one, and they're basically both the same. They're a copy, for exception that this one, the new one you created when you started fresh, does not have the transactions anymore. And that's basically how you can copy a budget in YNAB. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.